Is lead up there, Harley? No.
It's a long story. What's up, guys? Welcome to another Coil Squad video.
Yay.
Yeah, we're back with some more.
I just before we carry on, I just want to apologise. The last video I was very tired, and which is why I sounded extremely boring. Just thought I'd just get out of the way.
And I didn't have any Chinese food, which I'm having right now, so that's why I was very bland. It was very good.
God, you sound like you're stuffing cock in your mouth.
I knew you'd say that.
I knew you'd say that.
Hang on. Right, yeah, let's do this.
I'm gonna go with this guy simply since he looks like an epic gamer like myself.
Why? Because he's got a beanie on.
Yeah.
I look like that one guy who's just like, this is my voice 4 days in Soviet Russia. Have you seen that? Have you seen that?
Probably at some point. If it's a popular Vine, then I've probably seen it.
It was like a TikTok thing, I think. I don't even think it was a Vine, but yeah.
Well, I probably haven't seen it then. Oh, I should put I should put my beanie on.
I have a beanie as well. You have a beanie?
I have a beanie.
I also have a beanie.
I have bean.
We're back. I'm gonna put my beanie on.
So am I. I now have my Starbomb beanie on.
I'm going to take a selfie of me with my beanie on, and I'm gonna send it to you, and you can put that in the video.
Yeah, I'm taking my own selfie. Okay, there we go.
Jinx.
Oh, god damn it.
No, it's not real. It's not a legit jinx, but still.
I took the most cringe ass selfie in history.
My one was even cringier.
And just to give people context, here are those selfies now.
You can put more than one.
Yeah. Thing is, you think yours is cringe, but let me send you mine.
No, yeah, that's what supposed to do in the same pose, and then that's the moment we'll use. Hang on. Go back. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna be putting in the video.
Yeah.
As soon as we mention, like, you know, we're taking a selfie, that's when like it'll cut to us later, just like looking like that.
Yeah. Oh, that's going in the thumbnail.
I'm eating pork meatballs.
Yeah, I like putting balls in my mouth as well.
I like big balls and they can't lie.
I like big balls and they cannot lie. I was trying to think of another sentence that rhymed, but I couldn't. I like big balls and I cannot lie. I like two guys. What?
Alright, yeah, but
yeah.
I'm gonna get grease all over my controller.
I should never have come into the city.
Let's grab what we can and get out.
Are we in Russia?
Anything.
Yes.
This is the end.
We're in Mother Russia.
So now we're survivors now. We're not even military. Well, wait, why do I look like I'm the leader? Like everyone was just like looking at me, and I'm just like, you know, so now. Ooh. 12.
What the
12.
It's 11, sister. Season 4 confirmed. Oh, what? Oh, helicopter.
It's military.
Let's go help him out.
Ooh. Oh, he's dying.
Oh, and there's zombies.
Oh, zombies. Okay.
Zombies. Oh yeah, there's more.
They're dead
What?
either way.
I don't see nothing. Oh.
2 dead for. Oh, so there's. Why?
Bitch.
Why should we help them?
Someone's here.
Yeah, there's loads of them. Ow. Yeah, just. Oh, looks like this isn't letting up anytime soon. Let's go in the museum.
Haha, yay, the National British Museum.
British? Why are we in British? It's snowing. Why are we in British? That's not even it. That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, no,
why are we in Britain? Let me try again.
Right.
Why are we in Britain? It's snowing.
Why are we in British? I'm never gonna let you live that down.
No, probably shouldn't. Yeah. Well, no, hang on. I said let me start again. I didn't just go the whole episode thinking that what I said was correct grammarly. Like, you know, I'm not led.
Fair enough. But how the hell do we get? How?
Whoa!
I'm
I'm
coming. How the f do you run? How did you get in there? How are they getting in there? Oh, go away.
You're still outside?
Yeah, how? I don't know how you got around.
There is a door.
Oh, Thanks, Bam.
Dude, there's literally a door right here.
Yeah? Where do you go from here?
Follow me. Like, didn't you just come around this way? Hang on.
Wait,
I was just checking to see out ammo. Dude, you really?
Oh. My
You
bad.
missed this bit? Yeah, now I'm not gonna let you live that down.
Hey, at least I found that eventually.
Yeah, hey, at least I corrected myself eventually, so I guess we're even.
Everyone, regroup before we continue.
Oh, hang on, I got a double barrel shotgun.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Sticks.
Let's move.
I love sticks.
I love boom.
Oh Christ.
What do we actually do? I guess we're. Oh wow, you're like a gladiator. Oh, I got you. Go back.
Thank
Ooh,
you.
that was a runner.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There was a group of there.
Hey Harley, I'm gonna need your help here.
Really? Why?
I need to turn this thing around for educational purposes.
Yeah. Hang on. Let me just. Hey guys! Oh my God! There's a zombie. You should go over there so me and Steven could check out this place. I'm just gonna use a keypad.
Yeah, we just research, you know.
How do I
said
know?
off.
How did I know this keypad? What has it? Ow! 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 Put that down there. Put that down. Oh, no, screamer. That's a screamer. Ooh, this green stuff doesn't taste like vodka. Are we really in Russia?
Nah, I doubt it. If there's no vodka, we're not in Russia. Jeez, where are they coming from?
I know, there's a screamer over there and apparently that spawns it. Shut up.
Dead screamer.
Oh my god. Okay. These guys are really, the screamers are really bad at singing. Oh, and I got raped. I'm getting raped. Help, help. Dude, you should walk right past me. You're gonna leave me to die.
What? I don't, like, get off, mate.
Thank you. Oh wow, I'm pretty low. Ow, 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 ow.
Wait, I'm loading. Wait, what?
I'm putting some magical goo on my wrist that will make me feel better.
Oh yes, the magic goo.
Yeah, just like from Resident Evil 7, if you've seen my video.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, it's the only other video game where where you have magical goo that can help you. Like, apparently it could help you, like, from using a chopped off hand. Like, it would just attach that back together, so yeah. Apparently oh.
It's like ectoplasm.
The code is on the wall.
And apparently we know the code. Let's go and let's go do some hacking or something. I don't know. Is that? I got that. Oh damn, that was my thing.
No, you bitch!
Hey, you stole my kill. We're even. Hey,
Oh,
at
what
least
do
you
you
got
got?
an MLG. No, MGL. Sorry.
Yeah, I already had one though.
Yeah. Well, now you got another one. Yeah. And now they're coming to kill us. So.
You know, if anyone was to die first in this game, I hope it's you.
Why? We've been through hell and back together, and now we're arguing like I don't know, like almost halfway through the apocalypse.
Only in the second part, but sure.
No, we've done way more missions.
Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh, we got another one.
Yeah, we're gonna die. Oh, we had to interact with this. Silly me. Oh, okay.
I'm going to try the code.
Oh bloody hell! What was that?
Oh,
What was that?
Okay, my bad. That was my fault. My fault. Probably shouldn't have done that.
What did you do?
I may or may not have tried to set off an alarm. No, I didn't try to set off an alarm, but oh yeah, okay.
You bitch!
There. Uh-oh.
Oh crap!
You got any explosives?
I do, as a matter of fact.
Well then, we might need them. Oh yeah.
Enough bullshit.
I got this. Yeah! Get the hell back down there. I'm just literally just frying them off the wall. And now I don't have it anymore. Okay. Oh, and I got an MGL. Massive grenade launcher.
Yeah, that will actually help us when we use it. Find security panel. Okay.
Uh-oh. They're coming.
Yeah, I see that.
Sorry, that was my fault. I should have prevented this one. Oh.
Moving forward.
Oh my god! Help! You brought the hazmat bitch. Ow! Hello! Help! I didn't see this guy. Thank you.
Whoa.
Where did he come from?
I accidentally shot the grenade launcher. I thought I had the shotgun. My bad.
I was wondering why you were using that. I was like, are you trying to kill me?
That hurt us both, but still, in the long run, it was a really good idea. It was really delicious.
The sensor is the
I've opened the door.
We're locked out again.
I think.
Oh my god, what have you done? Oh, flamethrower! Dibs.
Dick.
This is it. Get together.
Oh yeah, they're coming. They're gonna kill us.
Epicness.
Oh wow, yeah.
You got any more grenades?
I got claymores.
Yeah,
Screamer, of course there is.
Ooh, MGL. Oh yeah. I was only one in it. Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, and that's quite
Yep, I got
Get
that.
him away. I only want the screamer, and I'll come for you later.
Oh, jeez, I didn't even see this guy. Okay. Never mind.
Screamer.
No, Holly, I'm
silence.
going to die. I'm going to die.
No, you're not.
I am.
No, you're not.
This
Wait,
is like
what?
a repeat. This is like a recreation of what happened last episode where you almost died, but I'm literally almost dead.
No, you're not.
I am. I need help.
No, you're not.
Cover me,
There's
Ross.
health kits right here.
Yeah, I've got my own health kit, but I'm dead. I'm
No,
dead.
you're not.
I'm.
See,
dying.
we look after our own.
Yeah, I need to get to a safe place so I can
Oh
heal.
wow, yeah, if only we could look after the other guys.
Oh dear, what a shame.
I got him. Burn, you foul creatures.
Give me a sec.
You just got pranked, bro!
Oh wow, yeah, there's loads of them.
Can't hold it much longer. Turn off the panel.
Oh yeah, now we got a ton of panel, I guess. Alright, we gotta get in here. Wait, no.
Wait, what?
Now we gotta keep on going in, like, through other rooms, not, yeah. There's a panel here. I think we'll be safe if we activate it.
The sensor's off, but we're in another lockdown.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, they're coming through, yeah, we're screwed.
Oh sh.
You're not the only one having heavy casualties.
You hear that? He said.
Help. Oh, I've been hit by the hazmat prick again.
Ow. Ew. This is really disgusting green vodka.
Yeah. Jesus.
Uh-oh.
What's up?
What's
Oh
up?
crap.
Sensor.
Now. Alright, you can do this other thing now. I don't want to do everything for you.
Where, what?
Yeah, they're coming.
Where, what, who, or?
I'm talking about the interaction thingy.
Yay, I get to do something.
It's unlocked.
I
Do it
did
then.
something!
You gotta hurry then.
I
Oh, you did it.
did
Alright, nice.
something.
Then let's go.
Right, wait, how do I get through? Oh, okay.
Oh god.
The doors are locked. Let's get out of here.
You gotta
Oh no, I'm dead.
ignore-
I shouldn't have stayed behind.
No, you're not. Wait, what?
Alright, I killed the screamer. Alright. Wait, oh, the NPCs came back for me. Aww. Oh, Juggernaut, Psycho Kid.
Yeah, I'm kind of surrounded right now. I got hit by an exploding zombie, a suicide
Let's go.
bomber.
Oh, there's a medkit right here. I'm gonna take it for purposes. Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
The alarm is off.
There's a zombie.
Waiting for.
Oh, sorry, it was you.
Right, listen here, you little Let's go.
Hey.
Well, I was anticlimactic.
Oh, and now this guy's actually going to.
To hurry.
Look at the hood. Oh, yeah, wrong way. Burn! I am the Fire King. Bow before me.
Yo, what's up, Gucci fam?
Alex,
What's up, Gucci fam?
What's that? What kind of a name is? You know what? No man, I'm just gonna shut up.
What kind of name is what?
I was gonna say, what name is?
End of the fence, then left.
Helix?
Yeah.
Some,
It's probably like a
I
code
don't
name
know,
or something.
the devil's girlfriend.
Oh. Oh, and we're going the wrong way.
Oh, son of a bitch! It told us to go here.
I didn't tell you to go here.
The stupid f***ing game did.
Alright. Oh wow, this is.
Jesus.
Jesus.
It's a bloodbath.
It looks like a zombie apocalypse. Wait.
I know.
help me!
Killed me. What's it
Let's
gonna
make
cost?
this fast. Hey lady, we've got to go. Now.
Please, you have to help him.
I'm sorry, he's gone.
Are you the chick from
Hold on.
Muppets Most
What's
Wanted?
in this crate?
It's rations. Enough to last us weeks.
We can't afford to live without this.
What is your name?
Svetlana?
Get inside the helicopter. The rest of you, check weapons and stock up.
Why were you flying into Moscow? A rescue. We lost a team near Red Square.
No, let me in! Don't just leave me here!
They're dead for sure.
I mean, why are you gonna bail on us?
Yeah, f you lot. Let me in. I mean, if I'm staying here, not f you lot. But if she's taking me, f you lot.
No, 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 be in the
No.
battle.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Alright.
Oh wait a minute, I see a chainsaw.
Oh yeah, get that chainsaw. Be like me in the first one.
Yeah. I will be like my Lord and Savior, Coconut Harley person.
Normally set traps and stuff. Like that's like really smart when they did that. And we're about to die.
Yeah.
Bridge. Look.
Oh yeah.
My God, there's
Holy.
Please don't say they're coming from behind me, because I'm already on the thing now. Oh my god.
Yeah, we're dead. We're dead. We're
Oh,
dead.
I'm actually really low on ammo.
It's oh my god. It's Black Friday. Oh, and they're coming in. And now we have nothing. Hold some back. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, very delicious vodka. Is it apple vodka? Alright, I should probably stop processing noises. Alright, yeah. Alright, how do I like barbecue? Oh, never mind. I was gonna say, how do I like barbecue zombie? Alright, let's make really stupid zombie puns.
This is Bumashkov. We're hearing gunfire from the river.
Do you do that?
We're coming to you.
Steven. Okay, Steven's gone offline. Oh no, he hasn't gone offline, but he
Hazmat! Take him down!
Steven! Alright, Steven is not responding, which is weird. Steven, crouch up and down again if you can hear me. Oh yeah, no, oh yeah, they're coming behind us, we're dead. Or are we?
Knocking them down!
closer! Hold them back!
No, bitch.
Placing a mine.
The helicopter! They're trying to break in!
Bumashka here. State level by the museum. We see you.
Guard the helicopter. They're all over the helicopter. Take them out. My God, I'm good.
I'm not really.
Get the supplies
we
and
got
head to
it.
the church. Sveta, you'll come with us.
I need to find our team.
Red Square is no man's land. We'd never make it.
There is a chance. I cannot leave them to die.
Father, you're a good man, but you're an idiot.
And you're a smart man, but you're lost.
So we did it. Oh, I got a text from Steven. You there?
What happened?
I don't know, I mean, like, I couldn't hear you.
I heard someone come into your room and then your mic just stopped working or something.
What, did you think I was being attacked or something?
Yeah?
Oh wow, you got the most explosive kills, nice one. Anyway, yeah, no, it's just my dad.
Okay. Thank you, pussies, for watching.
But, yeah, very good.
I'm off to go and have a toss-off, and see you in the next part of this video. Au revoir, mes amis.